and the last one is right here. Then you just need to pull the air filter out just like this. So right here I have the new air filter, so just gonna take it out. There it is. Hi guys, so welcome back to today's video where I'm going to be quickly showing you how to replace an air filter. So the air filter is held in by 4 screws. You will need to take out those screws. These are Phillips head screws, and the last one is right here. So now you can open up the air filter. Now the air filter itself as well is held in by another Phillips head screw. So it's a total of 5 screws that you'll need to remove to get the air filter out. So this one goes all the way out, unlike the other ones which do not go all the way out. Then you just need to pull the air filter out just like this. You have to pull out this retaining clip. So after pulling out the retaining clip, then you remove the air filter. So here's the air filter out. So now the air filter is out. What we need to do is just to get the new one in. So before I put the new air filter in, I'll just quickly clean up the dust inside here. So right here I have the new air filter, so just gonna take it out. So here's the new air filter. So this is how the new air filter is looking, and looks very great, as you can see right here. So this is a main filter. So I'm just going to then put this one in right now. So it's clean, as you can see. So right now I just want to put it in. So now we're gonna get the air filter in. So to get the air filter in, you're gonna see 2 clips right here, which you need to align with these beads right here. There are 2 clips in there which you need to align with these beads right here. These beads right here should just slide in like this. That's it. So the air filter is seated, but we need to get the retaining clip which we took out. So get the retaining clip right there. There it is. It clicked in place. So now what we can do is just to bolt in the air filter. Once it stops moving, you should stop tightening. So that means it's tight. As you can see, the air filter is very tight in here. So what we need to do before we get the air filter cover back in, we also need to clean it as well. We also need to clean the air filter cover as well. So this is how it goes in. The curved side goes on facing the engine, and the other side faces the outside. So there's the air filter cover in. What we need to do is just to screw back the screws. So this is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. So until next time, we out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you